Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to get a ton of pool leads. It's not easy, it's not hard. First thing is you're going to need a pool cleaning business. This is for somebody that's already kind of got their ball rolling and wants to add to it and doesn't want to spend a ton of money on ads. I don't spend any money on ads, and I haven't in the last 5, 6 years. I've been cleaning pools for 20, but I haven't spent any money on ads for obtaining pool cleaning customers. So this is a great way of how I do it. You can do it this way, or you can do it your own way. I'm just telling you what I've learned over the last almost 20 years of cleaning pools. So I have my normal website here, Philosophy. That's the pool cleaning company. We do pool service, pool inspections, pool school, chemical delivery, cleaner repair, and I have a pool store as well. So that is the first step, is having your own website. You don't have to offer all those services, but pool service, pool inspections, pool school is a good one. A lot of people are like pool school, but some homeowners want to do the pool themselves, and they want a professional to teach them. So it's a great service depending on your area. But to get to what the video is actually really about is how I get a ton of leads every month. So I have my normal website. It functions. It brings in leads. It brings in contacts. People buy a couple items that we offer for sale on our Philosophy website. But where we get our leads from is we have a second site, and this second site is esteropoolservice.com. So our local area that we service is Estero, Florida. So that area is, we don't want to travel outside of that area, so we want to target that area as much as we can. So luckily I was able to buy a Estero Pool Service years ago. This won't happen in every location. You may have to change the name up, but if you live in Houston, Pool Service Houston, Houston Pool Service near Houston, you'd want to buy a domain name like that. And then I recommend setting it up on GoDaddy. This is just a basic GoDaddy site. I just have a couple different images. These are stock images. I'm opening the pool guy floodgates here. I'm gonna give you all my trade secrets that has worked for years. So this is just basically a copy of Philosophy. I've just taken Philosophy out of it, not as much as possible, but limited to where it's not really branded as Philosophy's website. It's down here, but nothing crazy. So on GoDaddy, so you can buy your domain on GoDaddy. You can build the website on GoDaddy. It's pretty simple. If you need help, you can always reach out to me. But you can see it gets a lot of traction. So that's probably my number one secret on how I get pool leads nonstop. I get so many leads that I either sell them for a commission to other people that I don't service that area, or I just pawn them off onto other pool guys. It's all in how you look at doing it. Your service area, we've got so many pools down here in Southwest Florida. It's insane. So it's just all how you capture the market. But this way has worked for me. I hope it works for you. If you have any questions, need any help, need a website built, need a pool website built, reach out to me, and like and subscribe for more.